Hi Massimo, do you like eggplant?
I love eggplant. It's one of my favorite dishes. Like eggplant parmesan. What do you think?
Oh Massimo, we are in Abruzzo, I think stuffed is better.
Yeah, we can use some of that Abruzzo stuffing with a little bit of pecorino. Good idea, let's do it. The ingredients for stuffed eggplants are red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, extra virgin olive oil, breadcrumbs, Italian sausage, parmigiano, chopped tomato, oregano, chopped zucchini, pecorino, onions, parsley, basil, chopped garlic, salt, black pepper, and of course, eggplant. All right, so we're gonna be making a stuffed eggplant. What we're gonna be doing, we're gonna cut it, and then out of an eggplant, we'll make 2 portions. So we're gonna cut it in half, then cut just the bottom part so we make it a flat surface so it won't roll over. Then we're gonna dig out the inside, take it away, and then we're gonna stuff it with our own Abruzzo stuffing, which you can see the recipe on abruzzocibus.com. On the blog, look for Abruzzo stuffing.
A little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of oil, and make a little massage. After, with the stuffing. It's important to press to melt well the stuffing with a vegetable, in this case eggplant. Compact well the top. Tomato, rich of water, very watering, in a oven pan. In this case we use terracotta. A little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, basil, extra virgin olive oil, for the eggplant, just a little bit of tomatoes on the top, more oil, and please Massimo, put in the oven 45 minutes, 375 Fahrenheit.
Very good.
Thank you.
This dish is ready, just maybe the tiny little bit of drizzle of fresh olive oil on top. This recipe is available on abruzzocibus.com. Under recipes, you'll see all the measurements and all the cooking instructions on it. Enjoy.